something a little different from my non-smiling person.
There's parking ahead of us.
From my non-smiling
We're crossing the Hoover Dam, everybody!
Look, one more time and I got it. Because we just crossed the border.
Uh-oh. We told the car company we weren't taking the car out of state. We're in trouble.
Notice the rooms of both buildings according to wires coming out. This is called the takeoff structure. From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls and to
We're glad we came in early when we took a little scenic route. There's almost cabin back there, which is
and direct the
back
water
there.
stream into the canyon to ensure the
We
water
just took the plow car tour. Very interesting.
Looking down at the midway of the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular tube connected with 6 holes. This is a valve house.
You never know.
There are
They're
2
going to be here.
valve
Although they're made to
houses
last
outside the
2,000
canyon.
years.
Each building contains 2 90-inch gate
Fine when you're around that one.
These valves
That's where they're building the bridge.
Oh, very good.
bypass the turbine.
That's the little plank.
See those holes?
Yeah. That's going to be the longest. Oh, there. And there's the other one.
Stretching across the canyon.
Okay, I see.
3.5-inch
Alright, this is a before picture. We'll put this together in the last quarter of 2010/2015. When it will be completed.
If there are no delays.
If there what?
Or no delays.
If there not.
continuously operating a cumulative system is great.
I didn't come alone. I brought a cameraman.
Great skis to equipment on the road to power.
Looks so beautiful. We're about to go to Lake Mead, so we can't wait to get there. We were gonna make the this other thing, but I don't think so. So, signing out.
Looking down the midway of the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 halls. This is a valve house. There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch gate valves. These valves allow us to discharge water directly from the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever needed. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables. Following the cables to the right, you will see the
little different.
38 inches in diameter, and it weighs about 115 tons. That's connected to that turbine. So as the water spins that turbine, it spins that shaft, spinning the rotor. The rotor is in the top red portion of these generators, and that's where the electricity is produced. Now each generator can produce 130 megawatts, or 16,500 volts. After that, we throw it to our step-up transformers outside, increasing that voltage to 230,000 volts to send to our consumers. If you look on top of the generators, you'll see the lights on top. They're marked N1, N2, N3, all the way down. This is how we identify each generator, Nevada 1, Nevada 2, and so forth, and if the light is turned on. If the light is on, the generator is producing electricity. Right now, the Nevada 4 is the only one producing power.